Hello Aklan Avenu team, how are you? I'm Nazmul Hussain from Bangladesh. A few days ago, I confronted by an interview on Aklan Avenu team. They gave me developer challenge. So let's start. The developer challenge submission requirement full stack application backend and frontend. If you aim to impress us by using our core web technology, here is short list. C Sharp, ASP.NET Core, React with TypeScript, Postgres, Auth, and Bootstrap. The application must be authentication. The user must pass through a login process to access the application functionality. For this, we can use an authentication service like Auth on Firebase. Or you can roll your own. We will be checking that before security best practice. Deployed. We prefer to see more expert development using tools system that requirement more skill like public source code work yourself and no patterns on this own. Don't copy paste code more than 10 lines and procedure and other things and must be procedure and must be save your code to public repository like a GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket. Commit every 15 minutes at least with good commit passes. Okay, thank you so much. So let's start. First time I create a new project. My project name is start project. npm init initial yes. The npm init UI will simplify generate an empty npm project without going through an interactive process. So it's takes some minutes sometimes. So it's done. So already package.json is created and install some npm package for my project. So npm for install Express. Express is a Node.js framework, fast and unopinion Node.js framework, and then MongoDB is a NoSQL database, and Course is a Node.js package for providing a Connect Express middleware that can be used to enable course with various options, and body parser. Parse incoming request bodies in a middleware before your handles available under to request.body property. And Morgan is a tiny logger and Nodemon always update my server and concurrently. Multiple command lines run concurrently. So hit enter. My npm package is installed and go to package.json and first time body parser concurrently course express mongoose and nodemon. And first time I create a new file. My file name is server.js and npm package. So just comment that import npm package. First const express require express and then const mongoose require mongoose. Express is a mainly function, so const app express and app dot listen, and then first parameter, and first time I put const dot process dot env dot port (8080) and dot listen. First parameter is port, and second parameter is callback function, anonymous function. Console log and log backtick server is running, starting at port 8080. The second step is MongoDB connection from my apps from Node.js server. So mongos.connect the first process.env dot mongo URI. So I need a connecting string, so go to my file and documents, it is a MongoDB connection string, so that is copy, and just here paste. So use new URL parser is true, and use unified topology is true. Mongos dot connection on the first parameter is connected, and the second parameter is anonymous function. Mongoose is connected. And I just comment here app dot use is a middleware method, and first express dot json, and then app dot middleware method, and then so I will need a HTTP request logger. So first time I import Morgan require so there app.use middleware function, then first Morgan is a tiny logger, and tiny. So start my server npm start. the next step, I commit this. You save me every 15 minutes commit and good commit, and first time I get this commit server and MongoDB connected there. There are no stages. Yes, it takes a few minutes. Oh my, it's too complete. Now it's running. And there is no change commit and push. See, stay. Then I created a new folder, models and routes. And then routes new create file api.js. And first I import some npm package const express require express and const router express dot router. The router dot get http get method and first parameter is slash. It is my first route, and second parameter is callback function, and first parameter request and response. And then I create a models and new file blog post js. Blog post const mongoose schema. Everything in Mongoose starts with a schema. Each schema maps to a MongoDB collection and defines the shape of the documents within that collection. And first I comment this schema. And then blog post schema. My variable name is blog post schema. Schema again new. Actually schema is a object. First time our name is string, so string, and body is string, and date, type string, default, sorry, mistake, comma, const blog post mongoose.model, and first parameter our blog post. It is a database collection name, and second parameter is a blog post schema. Blog post schema. And now that export module.exports blog post. So I comment this here, model. Now I commit, add two commits, and create schema. And just commit, and yes, and push. It saved me after 15 minutes commit and good comments, so I do that. Then I import blog post, so const blog post require location path models blog post. Then blog post dot find method is a find out database collection, and that I get promise then callback function log data and I need to JSON format, so JSON JSON data. If I not get the data, then catch block. And then callback function log I go to server.js and import router require router.api.js, and then app.use middleware function, and go to this route API, the first parameter API, and the second parameter router. So I have some mistake. Routes. What is my command line? The node one app crashed, waiting for file change. So what error? Track error routers dot use requirement function and 2. So now server is starting at 8080 and Mongoose is connected, and then I go to Chrome browser and go localhost 8080/API. I have already data in my MongoDB database. It's showing me, and tiny logger date, it is a Morgan request logger. So now I will start client side task. So let's start. My server side is complete, and I will start client side application. And now I commit this. Go to commit, and commit is let's say server side. What I say? Complete server side, and then commit. Yes, it takes a few minutes, and then push. So my server side is complete. Now I will start client side app in React.js. So first time I terminate these apps, and yes, so npx create React app client. It takes a few minutes, and then I will start in React.js client side application. First time authentication, and then I get this data from server and showing in React.js. My React.js application install is complete. Now I will start now client side application. And first I create a new folder, and I just install some npm package, and it is a bootstrap 5s React 5s for authentication, and React bootstrap, React DOM, React router, React DOM, skip, and web details. And first time I create a new folder. My folder name is components. and FJS and login.js. My login.js is a functional component. I will do functional component. The first time I snips RFC, it is a functional component and just is a capital letter login. And first I import some npm package. Import button cart from and alert from bootstrap react from react bootstrap and import link use history from reactor and our hook import use state use state and use graph. I there is a fragment. I will do that fragment, not deep. So it's my opinion, and just I'm missing this comma. So const email graph const password ref login use auth. The auth method is a command context auth context API. This is auth and is coming that use auth and its function is come auth context.api and just and login.js and just use state hook is simple. Loading and set loading history. My method is handle submit. Is first parameter and calibrates and e dot prevent default the try block the current value and history dot push method so password ref dot current dot value and history first time I got this so then cut body then cut body to the class name text center so I need to the text is center margin bottom 4 and login and there if variant danger and error. And from the method is on submit and handle submit is my function and is function handle submit and then from dot group dot id. The id is email, and email, and then from dot control type email, reference email, email ref. So it is required, must be required, so I am that copy paste, so here copy paste and there just password and password. So it is required and my complete. So now I write a button, disabled loading plus name type submit. Type submit. And it is a login. Login section, and from so my login section is complete. Now I am sign up section, so create a new file, just sign up .js. It is a functional component and RFC sign up, and the first time is not a ILD, it's a fragment, only fragments, and just copy paste some things. And first time I import some import button card তারপরে login. Just copy paste some things. Just here import copy paste and then sign up and login. Just variable so there is card and his card to copy and sign up is best here. Just I and here sign up section. And first is a email client side is my app, and first time I sign up this gmail.com. Sign up. Oh, welcome Aklan Avenu team. And the first time my name is MD Nazmul Hussain. Hello Aklan Avenu. Submit. MD Nazmul Hussain, Aklan Avenu. The data is coming MongoDB database. And update profile. Yes, I change this password and password then update. And the logout system is the first login page. And if I change forget this password, just email click mdd Nazmul Hussain reset password. It is a it's message in my Gmail, and I can change my Gmail, and there's here click. I change my password and I give another password, and it is complete. So go to my project and go to login. mdd mul sign. So my password is reset. It's a MongoDB Compass and a Post Manager DB and blog post. The MD Nazmul Hussain. Hello Aklan Avenu team. Finally, I want to say I am very excited about your internship. I promise to you I will do my responsibilities. And number 2, I will do hard work. And number 3, don't break promise. And number 4, I will not time waste. And number 5, I will avoid by your code. Say, I am very excited about your internship. Thank you Aklan Avenu team. Thank you. Goodbye.